Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about tense in English, present, past and future. Sleep, slept, will sleep. Sow, sowed, will sow. Swim, swam, will swim. Sell, sold, will sell. See, saw, will see. Read, read, will read. Run, ran, will run. Rain, rained, will rain. Reuse, reused, will reuse. Ring, rang, will ring. Tell, told, will tell. Talk, talked, will talk. Touch, touched, will touch. Take, took, will take. Turn, turned, will turn. Visit, visited, will visit. Vary, varied, will vary. Violate, violated, will violate. Verify, verified, will verify. Want, wanted, will want.